In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Activecampaign account. Whether you're new to Activecampaign or just looking for a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Activecampaign website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL www.activecampaign.com. This website is your one-stop shop for all things related to marketing automation, catering to businesses of all sizes. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the various offerings of Activecampaign, since you might find some new tools and features that can enhance your marketing efforts. Now you're going to look for the login option. You'll find this prominently displayed at the top right corner of the website. Clicking on this button will direct you to the login page. Don't worry if you have to adjust your view a bit. Websites can sometimes look different based on the device or screen size you're using. On the login page, you'll see a field where you need to enter your account name. This field is typically indicated quite clearly. Your account name is a unique identifier that you chose when you first set up your Activecampaign account. It's important to type this information correctly since any errors here could prevent you from accessing your account. If you haven't used your account in a while and can't recall your account name, check any introductory emails you might have received from Activecampaign or reach out to their customer support for assistance. After entering your account name, you're ready to proceed by clicking on the login button. This action will submit your credentials. If everything is correct, you'll soon be greeted by your Activecampaign dashboard. In the event that you encounter any issues logging in, for example, if you receive an error message or find that your password doesn't match, don't worry, simply follow the forgot password link to initiate a password reset process. This additional security measure ensures that only authorized users access the account. And there you have it, you're now logged into your Activecampaign account. Take a moment to review your dashboard and familiarize yourself with any new updates or features that Activecampaign may have introduced. As with any platform, regular use will enhance your ease and efficiency in navigating through various tools and options. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, the Activecampaign support team is just a click away. Happy campaigning and see you in the next video.